Lap joint welding. Now you can see how the lap joint is prepared. The specimens are placed on test table and one piece is placed over the other one test piece. The 60 to 80 amps current and 20 to 22 voltage is set before root run for 2.5 mm dia electrode. The welding is done at 45 degrees to weld axis and drawn as tinger bead. The completed root welding is cleaned for removal of slag by chisel. The completed weld joint is measured for throat size and leg length using weld gauge.